Either means one or the other, and neither means not one and not the other. Number one, I like blank apples, no oranges. Now, what do you think is better here? Either or neither? The clue here is the word nor. When you see nor, you should almost always use neither because they go together to mean not one and not the other. So you are saying you don't like either of the two choices, apples or oranges. So the right word is neither. Let's read it again. I like neither apples nor oranges. Great job. Number two, you can have blank, a cookie or a cake. What's your gut feeling on this one? Either or neither? The key word this time is or. Either and or are best friends, just like neither and nor. Either and or are used to give two options, saying you can choose one of the two. It's a choice, a positive option, so we'll use either. The sentence means you have the option to pick one sweet, either the cookie or the cake. You can't have both. Let's read it with the answer. You can have either a cookie or a cake. And finally, for our last question, blank one is wrong, both are right. This one doesn't have an or a nor. But let's look at the meaning. It says both are right. So we are saying neither one is wrong. We'll choose neither. The sentence is assuring you that both options are correct. Let's read it out loud one last time. Neither one is wrong. Both are right. See, you've got it. Just remember, either is for choice, and neither is for saying no to both. I'm Nelson, a real person, not AI, who works hard to make these lessons for you. So please either like or subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.